In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google Meet invite directly from your Gmail. Whether you're setting up a meeting, a virtual hangout with friends, or any other online gathering, sending a Google Meet invite through Gmail can streamline this process seamlessly. First, make sure you are logged into your Gmail account on your preferred web browser. Once you have your Gmail account open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Compose button. Click on it to start drafting a new email. This will open up a new window where you typically write and send emails. Now that you have your draft email open, it's time to integrate your Google Meet invite into this email. Look down at the toolbar that accommodates the email composition window. Here you will find the Google Meet icon. It might resemble a small video camera or some other indication of a video call service. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click the Google Meet icon, an automatic link for a Google Meet call is generated. This link is secure and unique to this particular meeting. It's also worth mentioning that you don't need to be concerned about security, as these links provide a level of encryption and privacy. Once your link is generated, it will automatically appear in the body of your email. Just ensure that your message is clear and includes any additional details needed by your recipients. Details like the meeting agenda, the expected duration, or any documents they may need to review beforehand. After your email is composed with the Google Meet link included, it's crucial to enter the email addresses of the individuals or groups you want to invite in the recipient field. Double-check the addresses to ensure they're correct. This will prevent any confusion or missed invitations. Finally, review your email for any errors, edit if necessary, and when you're satisfied with everything, hit the Send button. The recipients will receive an email invitation that includes a one-click link to join the meeting at the scheduled time. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a Google Meet invitation via Gmail. This process not only serves as an efficient communication tool, but also saves you time by consolidating the meeting setup within the email interface most of us already use daily. By practicing this process a few times, it'll soon become second nature, helping you organize meetings swiftly and effectively, whether for business, education, or just a casual gathering. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide will prove beneficial the next time you need to set up a Google Meet through Gmail. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and guides.